Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove a Ford Focus radio. Before we begin, it is crucial to ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to prevent any electrical issues or accidents. For this procedure, you will need 4 specialized radio removal keys. These are widely available and inexpensive. If you do not have them, a small, flat-bladed screwdriver or even a carefully bent wire coat hanger can serve as an improvised alternative, though the proper tools are always recommended for ease and to avoid damage. Now, let's get those keys in. You will notice 4 small holes, one at each corner of your Ford Focus radio's faceplate. Take your 4 removal keys and insert one into each of these holes. Push each key firmly until you hear a clear, audible click. This sound confirms that the key has successfully engaged with the internal retaining clip. It is important that all 4 keys are inserted and locked in place at the same time for the next step to work smoothly. Once all 4 keys are securely in, it is time to release the radio. Gently push the keys outwards, away from the center of the radio. This motion disengages the internal spring clips that hold the unit firmly within the dashboard. With the clips released, carefully pull the radio straight out using the keys as handles. Be sure to apply even pressure and avoid any sudden jerks to prevent scratching the surrounding dashboard trim or damaging the radio itself. Take your time with this step. With the radio now pulled partially out, you will see the various cables connected to its rear. First, carefully disconnect all electrical wiring harnesses. Most of these have small tabs that you press to release them. Next, detach the antenna cable. This typically pulls straight off its connector. Once all cables are free, the radio is completely removed. A quick reminder, if you plan to reinstall this radio later, make sure you have its security code handy, as it will likely be required for operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.